Hi, AT from CNC at Home. As you can see, we're going to be doing some more pencils. This time, not just 1 or 2 or 3 pencils, but what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pencils. How about that? If you look at the bottom pencil, notice how it moves just a little bit as the laser's going past. It seems the airflow through the laser is enough to move that first pencil. So I'm going to need to weigh that down just a little bit more. I needed to find something that was small and had a little bit of weight to it. Oddly enough, a lithium battery, which isn't very heavy, is really all I needed. So I'm going to spend some time getting that positioned, to get the pencils all lined up, and make sure that everything is square with the laser. It's a little crooked here, so I'm going to have to do an adjustment on that. It's important to get the pencils lined up with the laser, so spending time ahead of the burning will save you having to do this over again, I guess. But it's really important to get that squared up. So take your time, make sure everything is aligned with the laser before you start the burn process. I know I love to get right into the burn. This is really important though to get done first. We'll bring the laser head back in here. Okay, it doesn't look like the pencil was moving, but we're a little too far to the left. Get that moved over. There, that should be good. Get the laser on here and take a peek and see where it's hitting. There we go. Let's do a quick test to see if that's lined up. Oh, it's crooked. I'm going to have to adjust that. I'm just going to move the waste board a little bit. That's an easy way to do it because the pencils are grouped well. There, that looks good. I think it's time to start the burn. I'm burning this at 2,000 millimeters per minute at 40% power, and this is my 5.5 watt LED laser. You might recognize what it's burning. For those of you that are Star Wars fans, at least. Notice the laser beam with the slight little bit of smoke that's coming off of this. It really shows the laser how it's wide at the top and really focuses down to a pinpoint and at the material surface. The fun thing about these pencils is once they're all burned, they'll show the Millennium Falcon on here, and when they're not lined up or in a different order, it's almost like a puzzle. So it's a 9-piece puzzle, not too difficult to do. At this power setting and speed, the laser actually burns not only on the top surface, but on the 2 adjacent surfaces that are at an angle. That's why I slowed it down and used the higher power, so I could get all 3 surfaces in one pass. When you look straight down at this, it looks much better than looking at an angle. We're going to hop out of hyperspeed here just for a second so you can see the actual burn speed. It's not really that slow. It's burning fairly quickly. And that's it. Let's take a look from above. Looks like a few blast marks there on the poor Millennium Falcon, but we'll get that cleaned up. I took this out into the garage and put some stain on it after I'd cleaned the pencils up, a really dark stain, and that'll help bring out these lines against the yellow. This is what it looks like when it's done. And if we mix the pencils up a little bit, here's what we get. Not quite so recognizable, but a fun project.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, Help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.